Let's go on to a game called Sound Effects. Colin and Ryan. Now, Colin's going to improvise a scene, but he has to respond to sound effects made by Ryan. Ryan has his own special spit-on microphone. I won't let him use mine anymore. The scene is, Colin, you're a sumo wrestler. It says here, a sumo wrestler wakes up on the day of a big match. Yeah, 1,000 points each of you. You know the scary part of that was? I think we just saw Colin's O face. All that straining and grunting and everything, and just... Ooh.
Remember?
Yeah.